If you have plants at home and you see them dirty, especially with watermarks on leaves, I know how you may feel. These stains that you might have observed on your plants are developed either because of hard water or due to the use of fertilizer. The reason we need to remove these stains is because this salt deposition may interfere with the transpiration or the loss of water from the plant. As the top surface of the leaves get washed more often, the underneath part of it develops more of these deposits. Now first I'm going to show you, if you just use water on cotton cloth, will these deposits go or not? The problem with water is, as the water will start drying, the stains will come back. Let's do this as an experiment. So I'm going to wait out for a couple of minutes to see, as the water dries, what happens. It's been about 3 minutes, and as you can see on the leaf, the stains haven't gone completely. The second and the most efficient method is to use lemon. Use this with a cotton cloth to wipe the leaves. This one I'm going to wipe with the lemon juice. In fact, it has some very strong stains as well. I'm going to let this dry for some time and come back and see how the stains look like. As you can see here, at the back of the leaf, it looks completely clean without any stains. The one that was cleaned with water is this one, and you can see that some stains still remain. People also suggest using vinegar, but I don't recommend using vinegar for cleaning the leaves because it's too strong and it might kill the plant. So lemon is better. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.